In this video, I'll show you how to create an artifact in Claude AI. So artifacts in Claude AI are interactive outputs Claude creates in a side panel, like a code, a document, a dashboard, HTML pages, React apps, and charts. They appear separately from the normal chat. So first of all, you'd like to go and open Claude AI, whether the website's version or the application. And of course, you would like to start a new chat. If you don't know how, in this left panel, you'll find this plus button. Click on it and you'll be able to start a new chat. So now you'd like to ask Claude to create something. As an example, you can ask it to make a Python. I'm just going to ask it to make a Python. Let me just write this correctly. Calculator as an example. So let's just make a calculator like that. For you can do that. You can generate a project roadmap, build a dashboard, whatever you want. Claude automatically decide when to create an artifact normally. So now, as you can see, it's checking the front-end design skill, doing all the things. I'm just going to pause the video until it's finished responding so I don't waste up a lot of time. So as you can see, for me, it's created this artifact of calculator here. So to create basically an artifact is as simple as starting a chat or chatting with the AI, and you do not need coding experience because Claude normally should generate everything. You'll just have to chat. So as I said, here, once it generates what you want, as example, you can try it out and see for yourself. Now, as example, you can ask it to edit it or basically continue updating it, like changing the color, I don't know, make it mobile friendly or something like that. So as example, make the calculator red as an example, and let's just see if it's gonna change it or not. And of course, once you're done, you can download or copy the result depending on the artifact type. Is it a copy code? Is it a download files? Is it exports content? Whatever you want. For example, it's created now the calculator for me, and I'll just have to wait once it's finished to download the code for that. And I'll basically have my artifacts code ready. So since I asked it to write a Python code for that, as you can see, I can click on the three dots here of this calculator. As you can see, it's going to work normally. So if I click on that, I can click on download file. And as you can see, it's Python calculator red.html. So I can just go and click on download it and I'll be able to download it. Once it's downloaded, as you can see, I can go and open it wherever I want. And as you can see, so this is a calculator. Here is just an HTML. So you can open it somewhere else if you want to, if you have somewhere that you can run the Python code, or depending on whatever you use. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.